You know, Tricia, I've seen people planting small, little tender plants a little early in the season, and the frost ends up taking care of those. What about planting seeds? Do you have to be concerned with the temperature?
Absolutely. You know, seeds are just as important, if not more susceptible to some of those problems. And of course, it's the frost that's the big problem across the United States. Here in Southern California, we don't have so much of that problem.
Right.
Well, you know, the seed companies have given us a guideline, of course, on the back where they will show you your region and give you a kind of a few months that would be optimum time to plant. But something else that we need to take into account is the temperature. And frequently companies will talk about, well, make sure that it's not freezing or that it's about 50 or whatever. We're not talking about this. We're actually talking about the ground.
Okay, well, how can you determine the temperature of say, the dirt that you have in your yard?
Well, believe it or not, one way is to take its temperature. Now, this is an instant read thermometer that I've used in cooking for a long time, but I just noticed I've broken part of it, but I think it's still going to work just fine. So I've adopted it for the garden. And in sticking it way down deep, and as again, it's an instant read, I'm seeing that it's coming down to 60.
Oh, I see.
Obviously, that's a very, very comfortable temperature for the plants. So as long as it's a nice, moderate temperature, I think we're fine.